Hello, YouTube family and friends. Welcome back to my channel, Just Being Me, Devanice. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you how I created my DIY panel wall. The panels that I chose are from Amazon along with the tape. The tape was sold separately. I will leave all of that in the description box for you. They were very easy to put up, very lightweight. If you are interested in this video, you want to take notes, get a piece of paper and a pen, or you can come back to this video if you decide to do something like this in your home. I think that this video will be very helpful to you. It turned out absolutely beautiful. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hype the video. It will really help my channel. You can also share this video if you want and leave a comment. And as always, I thank you all for all of your love and support. I have to overlap about 3 of them, and then the one on the very end in the corner over there, I just had to cut like right here. I had to cut like the edging off right here, and then put it up against the wall over there. So it's actually let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 of them going across. So that's what it's looking like so far. And I showed y'all the tape already. Here go a piece of the tape. I left it sitting here. So this is just some two-way tape right here. Two-way tape. And so I ended up putting 4 pieces, 4 little bitty pieces on. I'm just like that piece right there will do one whole one, because I'll just cut it in 4 pieces and put it on the edges. So yeah, that's it. And like I say, so far I'm loving it, loving the style of it. So let's keep it going.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you
Looking good. I'm glad I chose this style versus the other ones that I have in my bedroom. But yeah, I have been going straight across, and then I cheated. I said, let me go down since I was recording and sharing with y'all. But yeah, I did the other room, my bedroom, like that too. I overlapped on some of them. But like I said, you can't tell because it's black, you know, and that's the reason why you can't tell. But I am absolutely happy that I did not have to cut. Only thing I had to do was trim. I did not want to cut panels in half or none of that. I didn't want to paint the sides and then like push the panels in. I was like, no, I don't want that. But I know that I have to trim around the plugs. That's fine. And I got to paint my baseboards. I told y'all that already. But yeah, so far it's looking good. And yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think. But it's so easy. And my motivation came with my granddaughter. I put a box in the room and the tape last night. But of course I didn't do anything. And when my granddaughter came over today and I had her, I cut the tape. And as I cut the tape, she peeled it peeled the the other side of the tape for me, and then it was so easy to cut and just put on the panels. So I'm so glad she over here to help me. I am so glad. So right now we are on the second box, and each box has 33 in there. I think it is 30. I just wanted to hop on real quick and just show y'all where the problem could in at when it's time to cut around the plugs. Now, I did take the cover off. I just got it sitting up there right now. But yeah, even when because I said I might buy wider ones, plug covers, but I'm like, oh my God. And then I'm gonna have to cut half of the bottom off when I do the bottom on all of them. To go across the bottom, the very, very bottom, I have to cut part of them off to go across the bottom. I tried it, and it's like, oh man, it went good the whole time until I did the plug. I didn't do that one yet, but until I got to the plug, and then at the bottom row. But other than that, it's everything. It worked out the way I wanted it to. So yeah, can't get it all, huh? So, okay, YouTube family, I just want to step back and just share with y'all the reveal. You can kind of see my shadow because of the light, but anyways, yes, this is the reveal of the panel wall. It was very easy to do. I'm glad I had my granddaughter here. Like I said, she was a big help so that really worked out for me. She when she did that, I just took the pieces and cut it and put it on the back of the, on the back of the panels. And then when it was time, she was handing me the panels to put on the wall. So it just made it a lot easier. Y'all see the view through the mirror? So cute, so pretty. Yeah. So I was trying to record the ending of my short, but y'all know how my phone be. Storage full as soon as I got it. But I put my plant back in the corner over here with it. Absolutely love it. But I am overall satisfied. But let me show y'all. Because before, like in my bedroom when I did my panel wall, y'all know I painted my wall black. My walls, all of my walls are black. So you couldn't see the imperfections because it's black. But like right here, like you can kind of see through there a little bit. It's like, I don't care, because I did this. It is what it is. I was not going to paint this wall black, because if I'd have painted the wall black, that's all it was going to get was some paint. A couple of coats of paint. But I'm glad that I went on ahead and did it. I had to cut the bottom. It's not perfect on the bottom, but it's the bottom. I haven't painted the baseboard yet either. But it's not perfect on the bottom. I had to, like I said, to cut half of that off the panel in order for it to fit on top of the baseboard. Like I say, not perfect. You won't even see that half of the time anyway. She's like, Grandma, I love it. It's beautiful. And, we wasn't done yet, but but I like it. I'm glad that, like I said, I'm glad that I chose this pattern instead of the, I forgot what it's called, the panel that I had. It's like what everybody else had with the vertical lines on it. But I'm glad I chose this pattern. Absolutely love it. It's different from what I've been seeing and what I already have. So, but yeah. But let me go back to the mirror because I absolutely love the mirror look. I told y'all, when I be in the mirror pictures just be so pretty. But I absolutely love it. Love, 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 love. Love it, y'all. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to clean this mirror and lean it back up against the wall. And so, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. I hope y'all get some motivation from this video. I will leave the link to these particular panels that I purchased from Amazon, and the tape, I'll leave that too, because these are definitely renter friendly, homeowners friendly, wherever you put them at friendly. And the reason why I'm saying it like that is because the type of tape that I used, I showed y'all the 2-way 3M tape. I can pop these off right now if I want to, and the wall is not going to be damaged. So like I said, you can put them anywhere. Not just apartments, homeowners. It could be your office. It could be your bedroom. It could be your bathroom. It could be on your cabinets and you don't want it no more and you use that type of tape, it will come right off. So I'm glad I didn't get that super duper, super duty heavy super heavy duty wide tape that I was going to get, because it probably would have pulled the paint off or something like that if I would have got that. But I'm glad for what I have. I just hope they stay up there. I haven't had a problem with any of the ones in my room. I have not had a problem with those. And but these, I had three of them, three over here, because I told y'all know I had to overlap on some. I can show y'all right here too where it's overlapped at, right there, where there, like I had to overlap in order to, so that I can not have to cut all of them. So on that end, if you're just coming into this video, the very end against the wall, I had to cut that whole row in order for it to fit in there. And then I had to start like about here, from right here, the overlapping, so that I would have enough space. Because I told you, I did not want to do all that cutting. And I didn't even want to cut these. That bottom row and them plugs gave me the flux. But anyways, y'all, absolutely love. Once again, I'll leave all the information in the description box. And y'all tell me y'all opinion. Let me know what y'all think.